Okay, good morning. In the last class, we have discussed about triple integral, one problem on triple integral. Now, in this class, again, we will discuss about triple integral problems. So, first one is evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1 integral 0 to 1 minus x dz dy dx. So this is our problem. So how to integrate this one? Now here in integral, so these limits are in x and these limits are in y. Now integration here function in limits are function in x. Now integrate with respect to z first, then x, then y, right? So here given one is integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1 integral 0 to 1 minus x dz dy dx. Now integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1 right. So integral z with respect to z first. Now here with respect to z, x is constant, so integral dz is, what is integral dz? Integral dz is z. Now limits 0 to 1 minus x, next dx dy, right. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit in place of z. Here integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1. Now x is constant, substitute upper limit minus lower limit in place of z. So here upper limit 1 minus x in place of z, then minus lower limit is 0, then we get this one into dx into dy, right. Now integral 0 to 1 integral y to 1, so multiplication x minus x square into dx dy, right. Now integrate with respect to x. So with respect to x here 0 to 1, so what is integral x? Integral x is x square by 2 minus x square integration is x cube by 3. So integration is over. Now we'll substitute upper limit and lower limit into dy, right. So now substitute upper limit minus lower limit, integral 0 to 1. So here upper limit is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, that is upper limit 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 minus lower limit in place of x y. So then that is y square by 2 minus y cube by 3, right. So integration dy. Okay, now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3? So that is 1 by 6, right. 1 by 6 minus y square by 2 plus minus of minus plus y cube by 3 into dy. So finally integration with respect to y. Now so 1 by 6 is constant, integral dy is y, right. Here y by 6 minus y square integration is y cube by 3 by 2 by 6 plus y cube integration is y power 4 by 4 by 3, so 12. So integration is over, limits 0 to 1, right? Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Here upper limit 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 upper limit minus lower limit is clearly 0. So then here 1 by 6 cancelled. So finally we get 1 by 12. So this is the integral of given one, right? Next we are going to discuss one more problem on triple integration. Then that is evaluate triple integral over v dx dy dz. Evaluate triple integral over v dx dy dz. What is v? So here where v is the finite region of the space bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Here 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. So this is given one, but v is the finite region of this space bounded by these planes, right? Now first of all here this is a triple integral. Now write what are the limits of dx dy dz. What are the limits of x y z? First of all write that one, right? So here write to write limits here x0 y0 z0, that is clearly in first quadrant, right? So that's why here write from given one. What is given one? Here given plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12, right? Now to write z limits, right here 4z is equal to, what is 4z? 12 minus 2x minus 3y. Then write z is equal to 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 4, right? This is z1, z limit. Now write y limit. Y limit, if z is 0, then write here y is here write 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, right? Then from that y is equal to 12 minus 2x by 3. Then x, 2x is equal to 12, 2x is equal to 12, then x is equal to 12 by 2, 12 by 2 is 6. So that's why here the limits varies from x, y, z limits varies from 0 to z 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 4, and y varies 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3, and z x varies from 0 to 6. So now write given integral. So triple integral dx dy dz is equal to, right here x is equal to 0 to 6, y is equal to 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3, z is equal to 0 to 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 4 into dz dy dx. Now here integrate with respect to, so these limits are in xy, here limits are in x, here limits are constant. So that's why here we have to integrate with respect to z first, then integrate with respect to y, and then with respect to x. Now integral 0 to 6, integral 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3. Here integration with respect to z first. So then integral dz. What is integral dz? Integral dz is z. Now so limits 0 to 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 4. So into remaining, what is remaining here? Dy dx, right? Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Then here 0 to 6, 0 to 12 minus 2x by 3. substitute in place of z. So what is the upper limit here? Upper limit is 12 minus 2x minus 3y by 4 minus lower limit 0 into dy dx, right? So next clearly integration with respect to y. So integration with respect to y, now write integral 0 to 6. Okay, so 1 by 4 is constant right here, integral 0 to 6. Now integration with respect to y, so this is the function 12 minus 2x minus 3y with respect to y. Now here 12 minus 2x is clearly constant, so 12 minus 2x into integral dy, so 12 minus 2x is constant, integral dy is y, so that's why here write 12 minus 2x into y, right, integral dy minus 3y dy, so 3 into y integration y square by 2. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit, so that is 12 minus 2x by 3. So integration is over with respect to y, then with respect to x. Okay, now substitute upper and lower limit in place of y here. So here 1 by 4 integral 0 to 6, substitute in place of y 12 minus 2x by 3. So already here 12 minus 2x, here in place of y 12 minus 2x by 3. This is upper limit in place of y minus 3 into y square 12 minus 2x by 3 whole square, right? So in place of y, this is upper limit minus lower limit. So what is lower limit here? Lower limit is 0. So the function value clearly 0. Then into with respect to x. Now what is common value? So in finally the common value is 1 by 4 integral 0 to 6. In these two terms the common value is 12 minus 2x by 3 is common. Right? Here 12 minus 2x by 3 is common. Then what is here? 12 minus 2x here minus here by 3 square 9 here 3. So 1 by 3 is common. So what is here? 12 minus 2x into dx, right? So here 12 minus 2x by 3, already here 2, right? This is final value. Now 1 by 4 into, so here 2 common, right? 2 by 4, here we have 6 minus x, here 2 common, 6 minus x. So once again see 6 minus x by 3, right? Here 2 common. So what is here? Here 12 minus 2x minus 12 minus 2x by 2. So take LCM, 2 into 12 minus 2x by minus 12 minus 2x by 2. So finally we have 12 minus 2x by 2, right? So actually for 12 minus 2x is common, then we have 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is clearly 1 by 2. So that's why I write 12 minus 2x by 2 into dx, right? Now here 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Here take 2 common, 6 minus x by 2. 2 to cancel. Finally we have 6 minus x. Here 6 minus x, here we get 6 minus x. 6 minus x whole square. So here by 3 into dx. Now 1 by 3 here, 1 by 2, 1 by 6, 6 minus x whole square integration. So first of all expand this, 0 to 6, 6 minus x whole square is 36 plus x square minus 12x into dx. Now integrate. Integrate 1 by 6 36x plus x cube by 3 minus 12x square by 2. So integration is over. Limit 0 to 6. Then substitute. Now substitute upper limit and lower limit. So finally here 1 by 6 is constant. Now 36 into 6 plus 6 cube by 3 minus here 12 by 2 6 x square. So that is upper limit minus lower limit is clearly 0. Finally 1 by 6 cube here 6 cube, totally 6 cube is constant, common value. So what is remaining? 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, right? That is equal to 1 cancel, 1 by 3 here 6 square by 3. So then finally we get 12, right? So this is the integral of triple integral dx dy dz. So way is the found by these planes, right? This is one example for the triple integral. So the next in the next class we will discuss about area of given curves or area of given region. Thank you.